Hello and welcome, as today is the 25th day of May, 2017. My name is Derek. Welcome. Let's do giveaway number 4 of 5 today, and I'll be giving away some ABY. ABY stands for Artbyte. But before we do that, let's find out who won yesterday's contest. And the winner was the person with the best rated. I got 2, 420 Blaze It. Anything higher? You're the winner. Okay, David Svimo. You are a winner. I'll put a comment in afterwards, but after I'm done the video to inform you. But please give me your wallet address you wanted to be deposited in for the dope coin, and I will have that sent out for you today. So congratulations. Let's now take a look at ABY and explain at the end how you can get some of those. This thing has just been breaking out recently, sort of like the Bitcoin chart. We can see that this layer of resistance level, well, it's been taken out. Well, that's obviously where was the market before. Any major deep pullback now would be, well, at that point. That's around 72. It's at 276 now, so it's up pretty nice. And like the Bitcoin chart, huge green candles up. It's in hog wild state, and it can obviously it needs a pullback, but it can keep going higher as well, as long as there's people willing to be buying. I don't know any of these fundamentals, and something you might want to look for if that's something you're good at, but a very, very good uptrend to start, or a breakout, a pump as some might call it. Let's take a look at this on now the daily time frame, and this high is actually where it used to be. You have to take a look at that, but on the weekly chart it was in this area before, so it's at a previous level. Daily chart within this 18 average, it well, in here market comes back to where it comes from. See, in this case it didn't, as was the case here. So a couple times when it's had its pullbacks, it's had a great move higher, and it's, well, obviously a pullback to a higher high above, or a higher low rather, above the breakout point. Well overextended, but at the same point, it's one consolidation day after yesterday's big move towards the upside. And now let's take a look at this on the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, we can see, okay, we come up to this point, make a nice little high, come back, consolidate within the front weighted 18 average band. It's the 18 average of highs. It's the 18 average of lows. Retest this area and is now consolidating within this point. So once it breaks this previous resistance, this thing could have another spectacular 30, 40, 50, who knows what percentage of a possible gain. But again, overextended. If there's any kind of pullback, there's going to be a lot of profit taking, and a lot of this will be bound towards the fundamentals, which that's up for you to decide if you want to go really aggressively within it. And now let's talk about how you can win some AB or ABY. And that would be through this little jumble of words. You can connect letters any way like this, but you cannot go diagonal. That you cannot do. But you can go up, down, left, or right, and you cannot use the same letter twice within the same word. So if you you can't go, say, let me just give an example that you can't do. Grad. You can't just go back to the whatever. You can't go back to the same letter twice. But so anyway, use an adjective which would basically describe the movements of the Bitcoin charts in a sentence. If it's in here, and whoever has the largest one, well, if you get the largest one in here, I'll give 500 of the ABYs. And if you find one that's smaller, 11, 10, 9 letters, 8 letters, 7, If it's the largest, I will give 250. And now if two people have the one with the exact same amount of letters, that's the highest. Whoever said it first will be the winner for that. And you can post as many comments. So say you find something, maybe you find great in here. And by the way, you will find GREAT in here somewhere. Oh, I found a 5-letter word, but then you find an 8-letter word, a 9-letter word. We'll put another comment, and that is fine to do. But don't edit any comments. Once the comment is edited, in this case, it will be disqualified. And I will be back tomorrow with the 4th winner and the 5th and final contest for the week. Take care.